What's up everybody, Rishi here, and in this video we will see some tools that will help us find CPA offers to promote. In order to find good CPA offers to promote, there is a free tool available for the same known as OfferVault. This is the website offervault.com. They have a vault of whole range of affiliate marketing offers, right from lead gen offers to CPS offers. The best part is they have categorized each offer by the offer name, by the payout, by type, category, network. So we can even sort the offers. For example, if I want to sort the offers by the type, that is whether by sale or lead, I can click here. So right now the offers are sorted by type. That here you can see all lead gen offers. We have sorted it by lead gen offer type. We can also sort the offers by the network. For example, I think if you click on the name of the network, all the offers related to that network appear. Oh no, I think we are being redirected to the network itself. Here you can sort by network. These are all offers by the network YayMobi. It's a CPA network that hosts mobile offers. Mobile CPA network. And we can also sort offers by category. Let us say that we want to only look at gaming offers. Gaming offers really convert well. Okay, these are all gaming related offers. Casino, Jackpot City Casino. And I think we can even sort by payout, by the highest payout and the lowest payout. Okay, these are all offers sorted by low payouts. And if I click here again, right now we have sorted offers by from the highest paid out to the lowest. And I think they are also sorted by the category gaming. So these are all, this is the highest paid gaming offer. We can also preview the offer. For example, let us say that we want to preview the Jackpot City Casino offer. Offer description: play the top casino games for free. Okay, this traffic is only for Portugal. There is no preview available for the landing page. Here it says which network is hosting the offer. Peerfly, a very good network which I'm part of. Let us see another offer where we can actually preview the landing page. Okay, here we can see the landing page of the offer. The landing page is really important because if the landing page is not designed well, you will not get good conversions. And there are certain factors that need to be taken into when looking to promote a CPA offer. And landing page is one of those very important factors, which we'll see later. Okay, this offer is hosted at xy7elite.com. We can even click over and see, no, not from here. You can even search offers in OfferVault. Like let us say you want to promote a health related offer. You can come here and do a quick search. I mean, that's what I do. If I want to search from last update, I mean, this offer is very popular, Pure Green Coffee. and you can see where these offers are currently hosted, that is in which networks. Another good thing about OfferVault is that they have a lot of free webinars. This is something that I use a lot when I initially got into CPA marketing, and I think these webinars are free. I think, yeah, OfferVault is free. So when you sign up, you can see all these webinars. They have weekly webinars on CPA, and I don't think they have any network reviews as such. Okay, here they even have something called trending searches. Yeah, I think these are live searches. What people are actually searching for here, like in this category. So you can see that these offers are very popular. Credit report type of offers that I already talked about. Software, it's a good market to look at. Okay, Pradaxa, what is that? Mobile phone offers. Oh well, I never promoted a mobile phone offer yet, so I don't know much about it. Okay, Pradaxa is a email zip submit financial compensation. Okay, is this offer only available in this network? And so far it's showing only one network is hosting this offer. So this is one secret tactic about OfferVault. If somebody is searching for an offer, which means that that offer is popular or it is converting well. Real estate Greece, real estate Cyprus. Let us do one more. No offers found. Maybe I used the wrong spelling. NAUSEAM. It's the same thing. NAUSEAM plus estate. Nothing found. Okay, I don't know what is this NAUSEAM. Oh, I think it is only NAUSEAM. Oh, yes, NAUSE. Oh, it's a vertigo relief offer. Okay. NAUSEAM plus. Maybe people are searching for it and they have not currently listed it. So this is a new health product for you to look at. I mean, I don't know how many people are even looking to promote a nausea related product at this stage. So this is something that you can look into and start promoting based on all the strategies that we'll be discussing in the course. This is something I just found out now. I mean, maybe this offer is just getting popular. Sometimes if you start promoting an offer at a stage where it is just starting to get popular, then it is even better because you are earlier on because you are very early than other affiliates who will come into picture only later when the product is already popular. So you can make a lot of profits and your videos can get ranked higher than your competitors who will come in later. So this is all about OfferVault. There is another website which I used to use during my initial stages of affiliate marketing. Let me just check if it is still. I don't see a lot of people using it now. It used to be odigger.com. It was very similar website to OfferVault. It also listed all the offers, odigger.com. Here also you can find offers. I don't think they have any webinars or like the way OfferVault has, but they have network reviews. So you can even read a network, you can even read reviews of the network before you can join. This is important. You can see what other affiliates are talking about the network. So here are all the offers listed, very similar to how OfferVault lists them by payout, by type, but you can't sort by type, I think. You can sort by payout, by network, by category. So in order to promote CPA offers, you need to be accepted by a CPA network. You may want to read my bonus guide, Crush Your CPA Interview, on how to get acceptance by CPA networks. It is actually very easy to get accepted if you follow specifically all the strategies that are laid out in the guide. Basically, you need to be able to convince the networks that you are not a scammer and you are very legit, that you are not a beginner to affiliate marketing. But the point to remember is that although there are 400 networks or something and new networks keep coming all the time, you need to be a part of some of the reputable networks. It might be a little tough in the beginning to get in, but if that's the case, then you can always join some smaller network to begin with, make some money, and then join some well-known network. Okay, so that's about it for this video, and I'll see you soon.